Hello everyone. Let's have an interesting discussion on HDFC Bank. So this is the 5 years graph which we have taken over here. So we can see that the stock had reached highest level of around 1700 in October 21, and also prior to that it was around 1600 in start of 21. And from there, so from the highest it is down by 15%, and it has been trading in the same zone for last 3 years. So this is also a good entry point which we can say for this stock. If we see for last 1 year, the stock price was around 1731 in July 23, and now it is 16% below that price. Also, if we see the 200-day moving line, then also it is well below that 200-day moving average line. And the one important aspect of the PE ratio. So this is trading at the lowest PE for last 10 years. So uh, the PE at which it is trading is of 16, and the average, like the median, has been 22.5, whereas the highest it had gone was around 34. So from there now it is at 16. So the valuations are also quite cheap if we see from the PE perspective. And now this is the most important slide that I would like to discuss upon. We need to look at the revenue. So if we see the revenue of March 2012, so it was around 28,000 crores. Now from there, the revenue has gone up to 1,70,000 crores. And also, if we see the profits, the net profit has gone up from 5,277 to 46,149. And if we see the trailing profits, then it's at 60,000 crores. So almost we can say the net profit has gone up 10 times. If we look at the stock price, it was around 350. That has not gone up by 10 times. So purely from the net profit point of view, we can say that the stock is around 50% lower than what we can see from the earlier profits when it was trading at 350. The net profit was around 5,000. So based on that aspect, it should be trading at 3,000 levels. But whereas the stock present price is at 1400. So this also shows a good opportunity for us. And also, if we see for last 3 years, the stock has given negative return like -1% CAGR and -13% CAGR, whereas 10 years CAGR is at 16%. And also for the last 5 years, it has just given 6%. So the stock price has not moved that much. Whereas if we see the compounded profit growth, then we can see for the last 3 years it has given 19%. Last 5 years it has given 20%. So the profit is at good levels, or we can say it has delivered the same kind of profit for last 10 years, but the stock has not performed in the same way. So this gives an opportunity for us to start thinking on terms of long term investing in this stock. Also, there is one interesting take on this from LIC's point of view. So we have got to know that LIC has taken approval of around 10%, like from RBI they have taken approval to increase their stake to 10%. Now if we see the market cap of LIC, so it's of 5.7 lakh crores. So when we are saying it will increase its stake from 5.19 to future 9.9%, so the present stake is of 56,000 crores, and the future will be at 1 lakh crores. So around 20% of LIC's value is being is there in HDFC alone. So when such a big player is investing, then we can also think in the same line and maybe start our investing in HDFC. So I would suggest you don't invest more than 3 or 4% in this stock, and also be prepared if at all there are any drawdowns of around 10, 12% or 20%, so that we can invest some amount afterwards also. So do your own due diligence. Hope you like this video. Do share it with others and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.